To install Android Studio on macOS, go to the developer website at developer.android.com and click on the Android Studio link. On this page, you'll see a link for downloading the most recent stable version of Android Studio. If you download from here, you'll get a DMG file, which you can expand. Now, in this course, I'm working with a preview release of Android Studio 4, and it's not available on this page. Instead, I'll go to the preview link. And here, I'll see whichever preview versions are currently available. As of the time of this recording, there were 2 releases available, version 3.6, Release Candidate 2, and version 4.0, Canary 9. And this is a pretty common situation in Android Studio world. When you download from here, instead of getting a DMG file, you'll get a zip file. And I've downloaded the Android Studio 4 zip file to my desktop. I'll double-click it to expand it, and if you're working with a stable version, you would instead double-click to open up the DMG file. If I'm working with a zip file, I'll get this executable package, and if I'm working in a DMG file, I'll go to a Finder window where I can drag the executable package into my Applications directory. Now I'll go to Finder, and I'll go to my Applications directory, and I'll simply drag this file into place. I'll double-click to start, and I'll click Open when I see the security prompt for software that's been downloaded from the internet. Now, I've opened up onto the welcome screen, but if this is your first time running Android Studio, you'll instead see a setup wizard, and I'll describe how to walk through that setup wizard in a later video.